Hi, welcome to Chris Times. This is Ajosh. This is Anne.
The news headlines.
Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav 24. Jayanti in Jingas, the Christmas celebration. El Festillo, the annual day celebration. Jayantin Spark, Phase 7. Samvedana, a global connect. Mango Fest 25. Republic Day celebration. Global Insights, discovering school education in India. Savara Darshan, lecture and celebration. Birthday celebration of Father Lijo P. Thomas. Srishti and Chaitanya Fest, school's annual exhibition. World War the grand finale. Festa Verba, English Day celebration. Montfleur, Montessori exhibition.
Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav 24, a week-long celebration as part of CBSE initiative to commemorate the birth anniversary of the revered Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati, was carried out in KJPS campus in 7 days. Day 1, Poetry Recitation, Harmony in Language and Nature. Day 2, Cookbook Project, Blending Languages and Technology. Day 3, Bharatiya Anecdotes, Language and Literature, The Intersection. Day 4, Language Fair, On Spot Creativity. Day 5, The Eloquence of Expression, Bilingual Poetry Recitation. Day 6, Language and Community, Bhasha Mitra Initiative. Day 7, Language, Culture and Us, Cultural Exchange Day.
Jayanti in Jingas, the Christmas celebration of the year, was observed in the campus on 13 December with much happiness and cheerful mood. The chief guest of the occasion was Reverend Father Prashant Matta S.J., a well-known educationalist, writer, and Kannada Rajyotsava Award winner.
El Festillo 24. The 6th annual day celebration of KJPS was held on 22nd December with Cultural Festa, Part 1, Public Meeting, Chris Times and Cultural Festa, Part 2. The chief guest of the program was Dr. Ashok, DR, KAS.
Jayantin Spark, Phase 7. The fancy dress competition for the Montessori children was held on the campus on 10th January. The Blooming Buds enjoyed the event with lot of fun and joyful mimics.
Samvedana, a global current. On 16 January, Jayantin Fire witnessed the presence of a Canadian, Dr. Doug L. Atta, Assistant Professor, Trinity Western University, Canada, who had an interactive session with our Jayantians. Republic Day celebration. The Jayathian family celebrated India's 74th Republic Day on January 26th on the school campus, with the campus director Reverend Father Sebastian L. Nichol CMI and Principal Reverend Father Philip Joseph CMI. Reverend Father Lijo K. Joy leading the festivities, which included flag hosting and singing of the national anthem, which was a proud tribute to India's rich heritage and sovereignty.
Global Insights. On 20th January, KGPS became a venue for an interactive session with esteemed educators from the University of Michigan, USA. The delegates were Dr. Sapna Twite, Vice Provost for Academic Affairs, Dr. Zachariah Matthew, Director of Center for Global Engagement and Senior International Officer, Dr. Stein Brunmund, Associate Dean College of Education, Health and Human Service. Mango Fest 25. On 9th February, KGPS hosted Mango Fest, an inter-school cultural and literary competition, showcasing the students' talents in various events. The festival featured a range of activities, including music, dance, literary and artistic contests, promoting creativity and teamwork among participants. Cash awards, trophies and certificates were distributed to the winners. Chavra Darshan. On 10th February, the 220th birthday celebration of Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavra, a renowned social reformer, educationist, and saint, was commemorated in KGPS Auditorium, featuring an enlightening lecture by Miss Indira S., Assistant Professor from prestigious Christu Jayanti Autonomous College. The event highlighted the saint's remarkable contribution to education and social reform, inspiring students and staff alike.
Birthday celebration. The Jayantian community came together to celebrate the birthday of Reverend Dr. Father Lijo P. Thomas, the school's financial administrator, with joyful ceremony held in the school auditorium. The event was a heartfelt tribute to Father's dedication and service to the humanity. Srishti and Chetana Fest. KGPS hosted the Srishti Chetana, the Art and Science exhibition on 15th February, showcasing the creative talents and innovative spirit of the students through an impressive array of art, craft and science exhibits. The event was inaugurated by Principal Reverend Father Philip Joseph CMI.
Word War Grand Finale. The school hosted the grand finale of the Word War, a vocabulary contest. The thrilling culmination of the contest tested the English vocabulary skills of the Jayantians from grade 1 to 8. The event saw enthusiastic participation, with winners being awarded cash prize and resounding success on promoting language learning and healthy competition among students.
Festa Verba English Day celebration. KGPS celebrated English Day with great enthusiasm, presenting a vibrant array of programs and diverse performances by Jayantians of grade 1 to 9. The event showcased students' love for English and creativity, making it engaging and memorable experience.
Montfleur. KGPS hosted the Montessori exhibition on 27 February with the theme Discover, Explore, Learn, showcasing innovative projects and creative displays that highlighted the young mind's curiosity and thirst for knowledge.
This is Ajosh.
This is Anne, signing off.